Ako po si Earl Matthew, DTF operator dito sa Felix Huertas, Manila office. Ito po ay ginamit ng 6 days na may 240 runs this week. Ito po yung print head area, damper, tapping na 90% good condition. Clean, nasa ng wiper after head clean. Nozzle check. Yan, buo naman po siya. Yung system, natama naman ang label at okay naman ang pink level. Waste tank, na-dispose naman last Saturday. At ito naman yung AVR. Ito naman ito yung weekly physical inventory report. Consumables withdrawal. Daily output recording. Ito naman po yung stock namin sa CMYK ink. White ink. Tsaka powder. At ito naman po yung monthly maintenance checklist. Yun lang po. Thank you.